In the last video, we built the form validation for the register page of our real app using the Ionic Framework. As you can see, we are currently showing all the error messages we need. But notice that even if I have an invalid form and I click on the register button, I am redirected to the login page. Remember, this happens because of the auth guard we created on the video showing now on your screen on the top of it. So what we should do now is stop the user from registering if the form is invalid. To do this, I'll create a new test that it should not be allowed to register with form invalid. I'll start the page by telling the fixture to detect the changes. Now I need access to the page, so I'll create a new property for the tests called page, and I'll instantiate it in the before all instruction by using the fixtures debug element. Now on the page, I will query for the selector with the Ion button, and then I'll click on the button. Finally, I will spy on the router's navigate function, and I will expect that the router navigate function was never called. After I save this, our test will fail. Let me go now to the register page component and check if the form is valid before sending the user to the register page. After I save this, our new test will pass, but the previous one will fail as I'm just checking if the user is being sent to the home page and not caring about the form. So I'll copy and paste the code of the new test, and now I'll verify that the router's navigate function has been called with the home parameter. After I save this, our test will fail. It fails because the form is invalid, so let me make it valid by copying the code of the register form test, pasting it here, and changing from form to component.registerForm.getForm everywhere. After I save this, our test will pass. So let's check it on the app itself. If on the register page I simply click on the register button, then we see that we are not being redirected anymore, but no error messages are being shown, so the user can get confused with that and not know what's happening. To show all the error messages, we just need to go to the component, get the form, and mark all its fields as touched. I'll save it and let's test it on the app again. Now when I click on the register button, all fields are marked as touched and all the errors show up. And good, now we finished implementing the form of our register page, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can follow the development of this real app using the Ionic Framework. And in the next video, we are going to talk about the modules of our app and fix some problems we actually have in our code, but I just ignored them until now, as they didn't bother me at all. But some of you reported that you cloned the app from the GitHub and are having problems on starting and building the app on your computers. So I'll dedicate a video to fix those problems. See you on the next video.